Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about Unit 1, Lesson 3, Powers of 10. Question number 2, work out these numbers. In this question we study how to multiply numbers by 10 and divide by 10, multiply by 100 and divide by 100, multiply by 1,000 and divide by 1,000, and multiply by 10,000 and divide by 10,000. Now, first, let's start with multiplying by 10 and dividing by 10. As you can see here, A and E. Now, when you multiply a number by 10, as you can see, how many zeros we have in a 10? We have 1 0. Very good. 1 0 means one movement. It means one movement. It might be to the left and it might be to the right. So movement of what? Very good. Movement of the decimal point. As you can see, the decimal point here is here. So when you multiply by 10, the number will be bigger. So the decimal will come here. Very good. So the number will be 45. Good job. When the decimal comes here, here, so this decimal is not here anymore, so the number will be 45. Very good. This idea is when you multiply by 10, but when you divide, it's the opposite. Now, as you can see here with this number 207, we can't see the decimal point. So if we can't see the decimal point, it means it's here, at the last part of the number, it's here. So when you're dividing, you're going to move the decimal point to this side. So the number will be smaller. So I'll move, because I have 1 0, I'll move the decimal point one time. It's going to be here. Very good. And the number will be, good job, 27. This is the idea of multiplying and dividing by 10. Now let's take a look at multiplying and dividing by 100. Question C and G. Now, as you can see in this number, the decimal point is here. So we multiply by 100. So how many zeros we have? Very good. We have 1, 2 zeros. 2 zeros means moving the decimal point 2 times. And because you're multiplying, so the number will be bigger. So the movement will be this side. So let's take a look at the decimal point and move it 2 times. So it's going to be here. So the number will be, let's move this, 84.3. Very good. Now because we're multiplying, the number will get bigger. But if we are dividing, the number will get smaller. As you can see in this number here, 35, we're dividing by 100. And because we're dividing by 100, we have 2 zeros. So 2 zeros means moving 2 times. Moving what? Moving the decimal point. As we said here, because this is a number that we can't see the decimal point in, it means that the decimal point is on this side. And because we're dividing, we're going to move the decimal point to this side. So it's going to come 1, 2. Very good. So the number will be here. So the answer will be 0. You can see 0.35. Very good. Because the decimal point was here, we moved it 1, 2 times. Very good. Now you can do the same for the 1,000 and the 10,000. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.